What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to a Maintenance Mondays, aka Motorpool Mondays. And today we're going to talk about how to add files in the digital thread. So here you see it. I'm logging in GCSS, but instead of logging into GCSS, I click home. Then you're going to click the drop down menu and then click digital thread. And then it's going to bring you up to this site right here. You're going to click accept. Once you're in, these are the options you can click. And where you load your files, you're going to go to submit request right there. Click it, and then you're going to go to create new request and click print part. You will then be sent to a new screen. You're then going to type in the request description, the material number, the nomenclature part, and your information where it says name and email. You're going to put in your phone number, whether it's your work or personal, your DODAC from your unit. Once all that's filled out, what you're going to do next is you're going to want to take everything and put it in a zip file. You're then going to write in the proposed usage, what you're using it for, and the request priority. I put it medium. So click here. That's where you're going to add in your zip file with all the files that you're planning on loading. If you're unaware of what to load, go on the Allied Trades Teams page, and there is a post that shows on what to load. Once you added your zip file, click submit. Once it is finally loaded, it's going to say request successfully created. You will also get an email confirmation. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. All right, y'all.